Mabuhay from the beautiful city of Manila. I'm back, Wetzel, from the channel Fragrance RX, and today I'll be making a different video. I'll be making an unboxing and first impressions on a fragrance which was launched back in 2013 by the perfumer François de Machy from my favorite house, Christian Dior. It's none other than Dior Homme Cologne, so stay tuned. Before we begin, I would like to give a shout out to my uncle, Carmelo, for giving me this wonderful birthday present, my very first Dior Homme Cologne. Thank you very much, Tito Mel. In addition, I would like to give a shout out to Mr. Mark Ikong for selling me his vintage Dior Homme Cologne. Let's go now to the actual unboxing. Okay, as you all know, Christian Dior is my favorite house, and when it comes to Christian Dior, I usually go easy on the cellophane, so let's go easy on the cellophane. By the way, the batch of my Dior Homme Cologne is 7Y02. I don't know if it's seen. It's not that seen there. I can't focus. Okay, 7Y02 meaning, just a quick fact, 7 means 2017, Y means September, and 02 means it was produced by, in the second week of November. 7Y02, second week of November 2017. There. Oh, wow, just look at that. Very nice bottle design. I really love the bottle design of Christian Dior's. Okay, it's not seen on the camera, but the different information regarding my bottle is in the bottom. 7Y02, again, November, second week of November 2017. And that's for the unboxing of Dior Homme Cologne. Again, there's the bumblebee. I don't know if it's a bumblebee or what. Okay, I will now try to compare the reformulated version of Dior Homme Cologne with the vintage one. Again, so stay tuned. But before the first impressions, I will first welcome my Dior Homme Cologne to my Dior Homme family. Here we go, 2013, so you will be after Dior Homme Intense there, because Dior Homme Parfum was launched way back 2014. Also Dior Homme Eau for Men, Dior Homme Sport 2017. Okay, and they're now complete. My Dior Homme line almost complete. Okay, so here we go. Let's go for the first impressions of Dior Homme Cologne, the reformulated version. Let's try it. I really love the sprayer of Dior Homme line. Even with just a small tap to the sprayer, it gives a decent amount of juice already. Oh, I can already smell it. It's very citrusy, it's very refreshing. Wow. It smells like citrus, very citrus, more of calamansi, local the local Fragheads here in the Philippines know calamansi. It's lime. It's limey-ish. It's not that strong. It's not that piercing. So yes, it's very refreshing. Perfect for summer, especially here in our country, in the Philippines, where it's really hot. This is a perfect fragrance here in our country. It's very refreshing, guys, to be honest. I don't know about the longevity of this one, but God, it's really amazing. It's so refreshing. And now to compare it to the vintage Dior Homme Cologne. This is the first time that I will be spraying Dior Homme Cologne because I'm really trying to save this because it's vintage already and I don't want to run out of the juice. Basically, I will just display this or use it on special occasions. Right off the bat I can already see the difference. There you go. Again, a very nice sprayer. Just a small tap. Okay, that's it. I don't want to waste any more juice. Okay. Dior Homme Cologne reformulated version on my left hand, and the vintage version on the right hand. Guys, there's a lot of differences here. Dior Homme Cologne, very citrusy, very full of lime. I haven't seen the official breakdown of notes in Dior Homme Cologne, the reformed one, so I'm basing it on my nose. Yes, it's full of lime, calamansi. While on Dior Homme Cologne Vintage, it's iris. Actually, it smells like the vintage Dior Homme, the 2005 release. They smell pretty similar. Actually, if you put the Dior Homme, the classic Dior Homme, in the bottle of Dior Homme Cologne, you will not be able to tell the difference. They're the same. Yes, iris. Again, Dior Homme Cologne is more lime, more citrus, not that piercing. Very refreshing. While on Dior Homme Cologne Vintage, it's more iris, lipstick, more deep. It's still a nice fragrance though. I really love iris, so I love both of them. Yes. So I will highly recommend this in our country, guys. Go to the nearest Dior boutique and buy Dior Homme Cologne. It's perfect for our season. Really smells nice. Very refreshing, guys. It's a must-have, especially if you love the Dior Homme line. Support Dior Homme. Again, that's for the first impression and comparison between Dior Homme Cologne reformulated and the vintage version of Dior Homme Cologne. Thank you guys for watching. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Fragrance RX. Again, this is Wetzel from the channel Fragrance RX, your fragrance doctor. See you in the next video. Have a nice day and stay fragrant!